Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into YouTube account. Logging into YouTube lets you like videos, comments, subscribe to channels and even upload your own content. Here is how you sign in easily. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your smartphone. Once you do that, go ahead and sign in using your Google account's credentials. Type down your email address or phone number. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to sign up for one by tapping Create Account and following the prompts. After typing down your email, you will then be prompted to enter your password. You can also sign in via other login methods such as passkey. Make your choice and then enter your credentials correct for your Google account. Right after you do that, you will be able to sign into your YouTube account. You can now start exploring all the features like subscriptions, notifications, video history, and more. That is how you easily log into your YouTube account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.